Yo, you guys, it's Badger here. Today we have this tattoo from Inkster, and apparently this is like a tattoo which is using henna and some other inks to get you a tattoo that's gonna be lasting for 1 to 2 weeks on your skin, which is not looking like the fake ones for kids. It's supposed to be looking pretty real, and it's gonna be going into your skin, the first um, part of your skin. And that's how it's going to be sticking on there with the henna. And we picked up this moth design. There's a bunch to choose from, and I was just being curious and wanted to see how good this actually is and if it actually keeps up with what they promised. There's no instruction in here, which is interesting, but I will just throw it on my arm and then we will see. It will take up to 24 hours until you actually can see what's happening. So here we are. I applied it on my arm. This is after like around 8 to 10 hours. You can barely see. You can actually kind of guess where everything is going to be, but it's not really strong yet. So I'm excited to see what this is going to be looking like in the morning, because then it should be ready to be seen. So here we are. This is the final result. This is like 30 hours in, and I'm gotta say it looks really good. It's really strong. It has actually like a real look to it. Even where my hair was, the ink went through into the skin, so that makes it look even more realistic that way. And yeah, gotta say it looks really good. And by the time I record this, I know it lasted for a week and not two, but that's okay.